In this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner for a week in October with some happy mail from an Etsy shop called Growing Modestly. Thank you so much to Emily for sending these goodies for us to play with today. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. Okay, let's unbox these goodies. I have no idea what Emily sent. Oh, look at this die cut. So cute. Thank you. Thank you. Something fuzzy. It's like fluffy and fuzzy. Oh my gosh. It's like a puffy, dangly, handmade cuteness. Adorable. Okay, let's see what's in this package. First, let's read the card. Katie, I hope you enjoyed this lovely package of Happy Mail. Thank you so very much for allowing me to send you some of my products that I sell. I hope you can use planner stickers in your lovely planners. Link to my website is on the back of my business card. Love, Emily, XOXO. And her shop is Growing Modestly on Etsy, so it's super easy to find there. Here's her business card. I'll have everything in the description box. Little sticker freebie. Oh my gosh, look how cute these are for fall. Love. Another little pouchy here, a little bookmark, little macaroons. Looks like little die cuts. Love. This one's shiny too. Shiny animal print. Cute pumpkins. More cute pumpkins. Pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin mug, that's adorable. Mushrooms, super cute. And stickers. She's got apple pickin', fall quotes. Awesome. Look at these florals. Really pretty fall florals, more autumn florals. Pumpkins and gourds. Oh, I like the bright colors. Autumn florals washi strips. Awesome. 2 sheets of those. Boxes and bullet points. Ooh, look how cute those little tiny ones are. Ooh, look at these colors. Oh, I love that plaid with this blue. These are super pretty. So some of these are matte, like these are matte white paper. These are kind of like opaque. They're kind of like clear, but not shiny clear, like matte clear. Look at that. I love this color palette. That's super pretty. Pumpkin patch washi strips. Pumpkin patch florals and pumpkins. Adorable. Cozy autumn. These are like those matte clear ones. Those are cool. These are solid paper. Autumn washi strips. Autumn boxes, cozy autumn boxes and bullet points. Oh, these are cool. I love these. It's like notebook paper, sticky notes. Very cool. And then some functional flags and bullet points, which you know I use those. Grid washi. This is super popular right now. Different colors for fall. Wow, that is a ton. Oh my gosh, Emily, thank you so much. I love it, and thank you so much for sharing everything. Let's go decorate a planner. We're gonna decorate the week of October 11th in the Teresa Collins Happy Planner using my 5-step decorative process, which starts with choosing a theme. And I love these cool tone pumpkins, this like teal and brown and gray color palette. So we'll pull in a couple of other stickers from some of these other ones. Some washi maybe here, and then maybe these tan like sticky note note paper boxes. These bullet points, yeah, this is gonna be cool. So, haha, cool tone. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you like to decorate your planner or your house with traditional holiday colors, or if you like to switch it up and use non-traditional colors for your decorations. So my next step, step 2, is washi tape. I'm gonna grab some of this gray grid washi, and I think I'm just gonna put it across a couple of days here, like a couple of days on the side of the week and then a couple of days on the other side of the week. Let's trim this. Okay, and we'll put some over here somewhere. And this will be like a background for some other stickers. We'll layer a couple of things. Step 3 would normally be box stickers, but we're gonna use these boxes layered over some pumpkins and do our boxes that way. I just think it's gonna look really cool. So I know I have an appointment on the 13th and then an event on the 14th. So I'm gonna grab a box. Okay, so I got a box and a pumpkin. I'm going to layer them together and do it something like this. I just think that'll look really cool. And then we'll place that here. My appointment on the 13th is during the middle of the day, so I think I'll put it like right here. Look how cute already. I love this. Okay. All right, I want to grab another pumpkin and then another box, opposite colors. So like this color. Okay, pumpkin and box number 2. That will go here. All right, let's grab some these cute bullet points. They're cute because of the colors. I like these. I like this color palette. I'm gonna put these bullet points in between Tuesday and Wednesday so that I can use them on both days. And I'll grab some blue ones to put up here for Thursday and Friday. Okay, I want to use this bright blue box off of the pumpkins and gourds oh my sheet and grab another brown pumpkin. I think to put on Monday because Monday is kind of a holiday for Columbus Day. I think there's still school that day. I like the pumpkins going different directions. Since that one's going that way, I want this one different. Maybe this way. And then I'll just put a little box there and write Columbus Day. All right, next up, decorative stickers. So, okay, I want this little note from the bottom of this page. It says, I never met a pumpkin I didn't like. It's so cute. Okay, I kind of want to put it here, but it doesn't, oh, I guess it could. It can overlap on that pumpkin. I kind of like it just right in the middle, like this. Let's layer a couple more. Like I want to layer this little blue pumpkin here with this brown pumpkin. Maybe this way. Just like a couple of pumpkins here. And I love this one with the polka dots. I want to get that one and put it either in this corner. Yeah, I think it's going to look best there. Either here or there. Yeah, looks best over here. Let's put this one here. I want to add a couple more bullet points and I want to use these gray ones. Actually, let's do flags just to change it up for the weekend. Let's put a couple of flags here. I'm going to add this little list next to where this says to do, so it'll be to do list. And tasks, let's put that on Sunday. We'll grab a brown one. We'll say tasks, pumpkin tasks for Sunday. Oh, sorry, can't see. I want to grab one of these boxes because these are just cute and neat to write on. I'm going to put it over here on this side where I'll write like my to-do list. I want to add this little quote and I'm going to have to trim it to make it fit where I want it to go. Let's go ahead and peel it off. And I want it to go like right here. So I'm going to just trim pumpkin and then move it above where spice latte is. So it'll say pumpkin spice latte. Grab the pumpkin with this. Oh, one of the good things about these reverse action tweezers is that it can hold your sticker for you. And then I'll place this where I want it to go. Kind of like in between Monday and Tuesday here. That's what I'm thinking. And then I'll put pumpkin wherever I want, here or just like that. All right, I want to add one more thing, which is one of the die cuts. We're going to grab this pumpkin one, and I think we'll put it up here, which will kind of balance our page. It could also go down here, but then I don't have very much at the top, so I'm thinking I'm going to place it right here in between Saturday and Sunday. All right, let's see how it looks on the discs. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more planning videos every week. Hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video.